Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016. This is the Ford F-150. Stock number is P5516. Take a look at the exterior condition on your virtual video walk around of this pristine looking Ford. This does have, of course, as you can see, the FX4 off-road package. Platinum edition. It's hard to find any flaws with this truck. Super low miles, tow package, power rear slider. Super clean. We're going to take you and put you on the interior here in just a second. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life at absolutely no cost to you. How does that sound? At no cost to you. Look at the moonroofs. Beautiful day today. Leather loaded. This is a bad boy pickup. Dual climate control, full power options. It's all here for you. You know this truck's not going to last long, so do us a favor. For more information, call, email, or text. Better yet, head on down. We'd love to meet you, and hopefully we can earn your business. This is Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around.